Floodwaters have risen since yesterday, resulting in parts of Interstate 29 being closed, including Crescent to Loveland and I-29 north of Council Bluffs. Reporter John Madden is live near Crescent, where high water continues to threaten homes. John?
It's been a waiting game for many people in this area. We spoke with one man who's been packed up since the March evacuations back when that was going on, and many others who are tired of the impacts this is having on their travels.
It's terrible. I just lost my wife on top of it.
2019 has been a tough year for Ralph Bassano, who lives near Loveland, Iowa.
We lost pictures, all kinds of stuff. So, yeah, it's not easy, bud. So.
That was back in March when floodwaters got into his basement. His wife passed away in April, and now in September, he's on evacuation notice again.
Look okay now, but that takes your runoff off the interstate and everything, and it can change in a blink of an eye.
The Missouri River is about a mile from his home, but the water from it is just a few yards away.
There's water all around us. Fields down south are completely full.
And this isn't the first time he's dealt with possible evacuations.
I never unpacked from the last time.
Bassano is frustrated with the newest threat. And for others, they're frustrated with the travel impacts.
I had to go an alternate route, which we've done this many times before.
Christine Michael, who's from Logan and was traveling to Council Bluffs, couldn't go her normal route of I-29.
Just the traffic is slow, 40 mile an hour all the way to Council Bluffs, the hills, and you can't pass.
Michael's home isn't threatened, but she's seen the impacts this new round of flooding is causing.
There are people who just got drywalled and just starting to move back in, and they're having to get out, and it'll probably ruin everything again.
One of those people may be Bassano, who's grown tired of possibly having to leave every few months.
Going through it once, twice, 3 times is ludicrous.
Something important to keep in mind, GPS and phone navigation systems tend to be inaccurate during these types of events, so be sure to follow the Iowa 511 app, the Iowa 511 website, and our website, 3newsnow.com, for the latest on those road closures and conditions. In Iowa, John Madden, 3 News Now.
Thanks, John. The Nebraska Department of Transportation wants drivers to be aware the flood closure may mean extra traffic on some more rural routes. They tweeted, "Heads up, North Omaha area and Blair commuters. This closure of I-29 in Iowa may cause increased traffic on highways 30, 75, and 133. Plan ahead and leave extra time."